了是吧？
直播中。
有没有画面？
对吧？可以了。
OK， 找杰克了。
找杰克，杰克在跟客户讲的。让他测试一下音量，还是我测试？我测试一下吧。
你拿手机看呢？
哦，我到外面一下。Hello? Hello? 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 为什么是这种声音啊？哦，听到了。Text.
中国的一个展会，然后有很多企业中国企业来参加，然后这是中国负责人给全球的 Knx 朋友打个招呼。好，我等一下转过来。对，
这个是沈老师的新老板。
对。
这是四川海外部的
张庆喜，杰克也行。
然后咱们跟四川关系特别好。
对。
跟他们这些都是真是10多年的老朋友。
对，10多年了。怎么称呼您？刘总。他是刘总是接
不是，我们原来中心的主任李总退休。老板。
好，过来就转一下，因为毕竟是看中国展会嘛，所以就连在一起，而且我们靠得比较近嘛。对 ，OK， 好。喂，听得到吗？你听不到了是吧？
找一个人给我看一下直播，听不到，
OK， 有声音，他在听，
是吧？
他在听，
要不给那个在我旁边，我看一下能不能收到声音。
要不就看看他。这样机会好了吗？
但是这个好像有延迟哦。
肯定有延迟的。OK， 机会 OK 吗？All right。可以了吗？Okay, so our guys are still adjusting the cameras. So we just need a little bit more time to share with you guys about this GEBT exhibition and our booth, the GVS booth during this exhibition. Okay, so my name is Jack and I'm from GVS, and right now I'm in the this year's GEBT Guangzhou Electrical Building Technology Exhibition. So behind, in the back of me is our booth, the GVS booth, as you can see right here. So let's go in there and see what we have for this year's exhibition for these audiences. So it's a little bit crowded. As you can see from here, this is the main tunnel of this hall. As you can see, that side is still quite crowded. 你可以往那边看一下。Yeah, it's a very big exhibition for the smart building in China. It's just like the Chinese version of French light and building. So let's jump in. So as you can see right here, this is the receptionist of our booth, and on the left side, big TV playing the video, showing everything about GVS, about the projects we've done, about the products, and about the home and building solutions we have offered to our customers globally. Sorry, it's in Chinese because this is a very typical Chinese exhibition. So walking into this showroom, or let's say the booth, the first thing we have seen right here is the Waltz series Touch+Pad in front of us, because this is the latest product we have in GVS, and it's a very the best-selling product from all our catalog. As you can see from right here, we have push buttons, and we have touch panels to control all the Kinect functions in our system. And as you can see from here, we can have a plastic version, which with the plastic buttons, which you can use laser to curve different icons, and with the backlight also. And as you can see here, you can have touch functions to choose all these functions you can have here, and the scenarios. And of course, you can have a very extraordinary function, like you can set all these buttons by yourself. You know, before it was like you can only have fixed Knx functions in Knx buttons, but right now, as you can see here, we can try to define which button with which function. Okay, let's say, yeah, of course it's Chinese version for air conditioner. We can set the air conditioner as a lower button of this lower part of this button, and we confirm. And we can let's say set another curtain to the other pair of button and confirm. And we can set the RGB on the left part of the upper button, and we confirm. And we can set another scenario to this button. So which means that you don't have to rely, I mean the end user don't have to rely on ETS anymore. As long as they want to set these buttons to different functions, they can do it. I mean, you can set, have different combinations in winter and in spring with the different functions. So that's the best part of it. And besides from the Waltz Touch+Pad, we have also right here the button series, the Knx Push Button Pro series. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 fold, as you can see here. And of course, the button itself has both the plastic button and the metal button. And on this part, we have another few type models of the Waltz push buttons. As you can see, this is the 1 fold, and the 2 fold, the 2 fold, a 3 fold, and 4 fold. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 buttons here. It's a typical Knx buttons. So there are a lot of customers that will ask, when we already have the Waltz push buttons, how can we have more, I mean, accessories to pair with these buttons? Let's come to this side. So as you can see from here, this is a 4-fold Waltz push button. We have also a very, whole series of accessories like sockets, like sockets for TV and the network. We have emergency panel, and as you can see here, we have also a frame to hold these two kind of devices together, to hold the accessory and the push button itself in the same line. So basically, this is very good for the decoration part. And let's come to this part. This is the video intercom part. As you can see, this is one of the latest binocular touch outdoor station we have in GVS. So it's with the face recognition function. It's with face recognition function, so you can unlock your door with the face recognition. You can use the QR code to let your friends in, and you can also use the IC or ID card to unlock the door. You can have the intercom with the indoor station, with the management center, and with the different apartment in the same community. And right here we have also a 10-inch touch panel. It's one of the latest product too. We call it the Knx Smart Touch Z10. So basically in this touch panel we have integrated full function of Kinect and video intercom. So for Kinect we have a different kind of way to show customers the functions. So as you can see, we can have a floor plan. On this floor plan we can have different functions laying out here, and we can even add it by ourselves. We can move this light here, and move this light here, and then we confirm, and then the lights have moved here. And you can have all these functions also in least way. So basically, as you can see, so when you're having a smart home, why not have a floor plan to have all these icons on the floor plan, so that you can find all the functions anytime, anywhere. So, besides this touch panel is purely Knx. It's not a converter type, because a lot of touch panels in the market, they use Knx RS485 to convert the signals of Knx to RS485 and received by the device, but we are purely Knx and intercom. So coming to this side is one of the relatively older device of the 7-inch outdoor station. As you can see, I have just unlocked the door by my face, because my face is recognized by the outdoor station. And on the back side there is a Knx Power Supply. So basically it doesn't really have a very essential difference compared to the current power supply, but we have two parts that is better than 01. So first thing is 640 milliampere, but it's smaller. Okay, so before it was like this big. And the second part is that we will have more indicative lights to show that how much power has been consumed from this power supply, so that the planners and the installers or the programmers, they will know, okay, how much devices I can still connect to this bus. So this is the power supply we're going to have in the later this year. And on this part is one of our classic multifunctional thermostat and Knx push button sensor plus. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 fold Knx buttons, and this has been sold to a lot of customers. I think about 30K pieces per year. Being sold globally, not only in Europe, but also in the rest part of China and the rest part of the world. And we have the thermostat, the 1, 2, 3, 4 fold push button, and we have also a printable template, so that you can use a laser printing machine to print logo and instructive messages on it to show what function of the. And this side is also a Waltz, so we'll just jump. So next is the Knx Smart Touch V50 and the Knx Smart Touch V40. So this is also one of the main series of touch panels we are offering to the market. So it's not a new device, but we got a lot of good feedbacks from the market. We have different colors. We have white, we have black and white color, and we can have all functions like we can adjust the temperature. We can adjust the temperature, and we can have to set different models, fan speed, and all these typical Knx functions, scenario, and lighting, dimming,